Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video we will be learning how to cancel Neo Financial credit card. To cancel your Neo Financial credit card, you will need to contact the Neo Financial support. So watch the video till the end to find out how. First of all, to get started, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in neofinancial.com and press enter to end up in the official website for Neo Financial. Once you get to the official website, go ahead and click on the support tab at the top and select Help Center. Here on the next page, click on the cards option and select Lost or Stolen Card. Now scroll all the way down and then you will be able to see two different options. You can either live chat with the customer service representative by clicking on Chat with Us option, or you can make a phone call that is displayed at the bottom of the screen on this particular number. Both ways, you can now go ahead and tell the customer service representative that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Now simply follow through the on-screen prompts provided by the customer service representative and be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. Neo Financial might explain any outstanding balance or fees that need to be settled, and then you'll likely receive a confirmation email or notification once the cancellation is completed. So that way you can easily cancel your Neo Financial credit card. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.